I might not have other privileges, but I have the privilege to sit between them.
This is our team Love Lingo.
Love
Lingo.
What does love mean to
I knew
you?
this was.
Love means that you belong. I feel like I belong here with you guys.
Oh,
Right.
your tissue lawyer.
आज खुश तो बहुत हो
Diwar.
अब बताइए.
I love showering people with love. and
You love
attention.
showering when you're in love
No.
with people. Oh, with, in the shower with people. No.
Have you pooped or peed your pants?
We had it twice.
What is your biggest insecurity?
When I was a kid, I had an insecurity of dying naked.
I still have it.
Have you ever had a one night stand? Oh my god.
Oh.
Love lingo, love lingo, love lingo. Slowly let it go.
This is something that Ursula and I have been debating over, and I think it's very important for all of you guys to tell us what you think. So, starting with Neeti, come in.
Okay. You have to repeat your question.
Okay, so the question is, if you know somebody is faking it till they make it, what is that one advice you would give them if they came up to you and asked you? Or even if they didn't, but if you had to give them some advice, in your head, what would you tell them?
Okay, first thing, I agree with what you say. Sorry, Ursula.
No, that's okay.
I'm Team Just.
Yeah, that's absolutely. Please go
Because
ahead.
I totally agree that there's nothing wrong in doing that till the time you know your limits.
Right,
And I've been doing that.
right.
People think I'm this confident woman. Initially, I also had to put it up.
Right.
And it's a fact that, when you're going up on a stage or there's, you're on public speaking forum or something, it looks that you're all collected, but inside you're all over the place.
I agree.
And that is also an example of fake it till you make it. By the time you become an expert in
made
managing
it.
the audience, I'm
No,
doing decently
no,
well,
you've
yeah.
made it. No, I'm talking about what you're saying. You in particular, but in general, you were saying that by the time you are good
yeah,
enough.
Yeah, if you know where to draw the line, you can.
But how does one draw the line? That's my question again to you, my love.
Okay, how I draw the line is majorly, it's basically self-awareness.
Right.
It comes with age and experience also, na.
Yeah, अभी तो
Come
मैं
on.
बच्चा हूँ, छोटा मोटा.
ये छोटा बच्चा है.
हाँ, मेरे साथ आ
It
जाएगा.
seems as if I'm the adopted बच्चा in this.
No, baby, you are the.
And I have another thing to add to that. This is on a very superficial level, but something which I used to practice. Sometimes, out of social pressure or peer pressure, you would say yes to a lot of things you may not know about them,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
But it's very easy. You get out of that setting. Internet has everything. Go learn about it and come back again, right? Now you did fake it earlier, but now you're making it, right? Because you've read about it. If it's a skill, you probably practice. Obviously, if the need be, not like you have to conform to some settings or something. But if you feel that you want to know about that and you faked at that point of time, go home and learn about it.
And
Come
like
back again.
Neeti, you mentioned that you've said yes so many times, right? I
Yeah.
totally get this. And then you're like, oh my God, I said yes, I committed to something and I have to like adhere to it and I have to, kind of commit to it and just do it. And now you probably, this was your position then. Now, if you are faced with that same situation, you are also most likely to say
Empowered.
no, because somewhere you realize that, okay, I learned the ropes through faking it. And now, because I'm so self aware, I know that at this point of time, I need to hold the reins and I know that I can say no. And
Yeah.
even that is, then that's you being authentic.
Of course.
You are in that moment, you realize, oh my God, I am authentic right here because I am not going to do this because I have to please someone, or I'm
Right.
not going to be doing this because
So-
I'm going to be
So
subservient.
faking it gives you the power to be authentic. Amazing. That's my new bumper sticker, guys.
Yes.
And let's get all of
Hey,
them
guys,
on here.
come on, all
Come
of you
on, come on. Just
coming
come,
in.
just come, just come.
Okay, guys, we're here all together in one frame.
This is
and
Team Love Lingo?
This is our Team Love Lingo.
Hi, I'm Drishti and I've been doing makeup for Ursula and helping Just also with a few things here and there, and I'm so happy to be here. And I love you guys and the whole team.
Love you too.
I'm sure everyone's faking it at some point, But my advice is that only do it till you don't lose your authenticity, till you don't lose self-awareness, and you don't cross that line where you're turning into somebody else who you're actually not. So
Right.
that's my advice.
Super. Super
Knock
cool.
knock. Comes to you.
Okay, hi, I'm Chetna, and now that we're talking about privilege a lot today, I might not have other privileges, but I have the privilege to sit between them.
Oh my god.
Dil le gayi.
So cute.
Okay, and also we are talking about authenticity a lot today. So I have one piece of advice for everybody. A lot of people here will ask you to be authentic, but they can't deal with your authentic self. So I mean, you should be authentic, but not all out there. So yeah, faking it till you make it on Joss's team again.
Okay. So, I, to your point, I
Yeah.
want to make a point. And so I think it's a very
Yes.
important point. You said people cannot take your authenticity, right? Is that
Yeah,
Can they take your fakeness?
Good question.
in most cases, yes.
That's your presumption.
Okay, when we compare
Okay.
this again.
All right. I just asked you. You said they can't take
Yeah.
your authenticity. I said maybe they're okay to take your fake.
But they can't take her fakeness because she's, making it,
Yeah.
designing it.
Yeah,
for
so
them.
we are,
knows the audience.
if we are
Yeah.
being fake, we are catering to somebody in, like, just being, probably just, if somebody's asking you for an opinion and you just be like, yeah, this is
Yeah, a
fine.
la carte fakeness.
Yeah.
Yeah, got it.
So hi, my name is Janvi and I'm a podcast producer for them. Part of this team. Like, this is my second podcast project and I think I've been enjoying it so much. This almost might be the thing I want to like keep doing at least for the next few years. I think that's one thing I've realized while working on this project.
Wow.
So I think this was a big change for me.
Aww.
+1.
Wow. Some tissues we really need right now.
मेरे आंसू कहीं और से बह रहे हैं लोग.
Ooh.
I'm faking it. I'm faking it till that
What does that mean?
मतलब अभी आप देख नहीं पाओगे ना चश्मे आंखों से. हाँ.
I'm sitting close to you.
Oh, okay.
So anyway, to answer the question, like, go ahead. If it works for you, you do it. You fake it till you make it. Because at some point we all have to fit in, and we all have to be in places and situations where we don't want to be, but we have to be. So yeah, I mean, if it works for you, you do it. But just as Drishti said, I think it's the same thing. Don't lose yourself, because someday you're gonna wake up and be like, oh, I don't even know who am
I've
I,
become.
because I've been faking it for so long.
And then there are these demons that you're going to be fighting along the way
Yeah.
and dealing with those new demons. And it's like
And then
mess. It's a mess.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Animesh. I'm the DOP on the set, and I think more of this, like fake it till you make it. For me, it comes to order and chaos. Okay, in that sense. So as an artist, plagiarism and all of that, copying, faking it is discouraged, right? Like when I was in college, I was learning all these things. Copying someone else was bad, but taking inspiration from it was good. So what if you're faking it, you're copying, you're being inspired? It's a lot of confusion.
Yeah.
But I think what worked for me was, like, if you want to fake it, okay. To me, faking it looks like a chaos. In chaos, I think, there's a lot of anxiety, and with anxiety, like you said, there are demons, I think the demons, they are monsters, and they are, guarding some sort of a treasure, I would say. And then this treasure is the skill, where at one point you're faking it, and then somehow you learn to defeat this demon or monster, and you acquire the skill that you are faking it. You essentially got the treasure, and then eventually you make it.
So you're talking about the heroes. I understand where you're coming from.
Yeah.
You're talking about transcending the fear and actually going on the other side. But again, to that point itself, my fear is not about people who make it to the other side. It's
Yeah.
about the people who stay.
I think
behind
you're
and
talking
suck up.
about that movie, Catch Me If You Can, where, the Leonardo's character
Yes.
is faking
Yeah,
it,
yeah. Yeah.
And I think that's wrong. I think the way you use it has
Yeah.
to, have its authenticity, because if you use it for selfish gains and not to improve yourself, then I think that's not right. And I
And
don't
it's,
think we should
and
do
it's
that.
evolutionary also, right? To a
Yeah.
certain degree where we are trying to be something that
Of course,
are-
we're inspired,
We're
we always, and emulation is how we grow, to be honest. We always
Right.
admire someone, and in that sense, we learn to, copy them. And by copying them, we somewhat are faking it. But in the process of faking it, we somewhere
Okay,
make
to
it
add
also.
to that, there's one more layer to that. What he was saying, you get to know yourself and you start doing it. What if we put process of elimination to it? When you start faking up and then you start sitting with yourself, you start spending time with yourself. That's when you realize, okay, this part is not me. This part is not me. This part is not me. Then you start eliminating those parts of
Right.
your
Self-awareness.
Exactly. So
That's when you
Self-awareness.
Not
to
giving
even
to the
reach.
demon that you said.
Yeah.
Yeah, so even the process of elimination requires a level of self-awareness.
Exactly.
Since the podcast is called, let's say it together, all of us.
Love
Lingo.
On that, I have to ask all of you, Animesh.
Yeah.
What does love mean to
I knew
you?
this was
हाँ, मुझे नहीं बोलना, मुझे नहीं पता.
आपसे पूछा नहीं है अभी आपसे जो आ रहा
हाँ, तो मुझसे मत पूछना ही
See,
वाला.
the simplest
ऐसा हो ही नहीं
thing I would say is that, love means that you belong. I feel like I belong here with you guys.
Oh,
Right.
your tissue lawyer?
Like, I don't feel out of place, So I think that's love, It doesn't have to be intimate, but
Yeah.
there is love, you feel it, and you understand it.
Janvi?
So a few days back, another guest had come and he said something like, love means not feeling anxious. Like the opposite of love is not hate, but it's love versus feeling anxious. So I think that's something I related to a lot, and I've been like thinking about it a lot ever since I heard that statement, and it's like just stuck to me because I think I've been a very anxious person. I still am, like I'm working on it now. But growing up, I did not even realize that I was an anxious person. So for me, as he said, like if you don't feel belonged, you don't feel loved. So that is the same with this, that if I'm feeling anxious around someone else, then it's not love. Like if I'm with my friends, I may still feel anxious. Like it's not that each and every friend makes you feel safe, welcomed. It's not, you don't feel warmth from each and every person. And I think, yeah, even with you guys, I don't feel anxious. Like, of course, on the day 1, day 2 of the set, I did feel anxious. Even with working with Neeti and everyone, I was so anxious. But I think they've seen a change in me. For me, love is not feeling anxious.
Like, love
Being
it.
able to be myself.
Wow. And that has power. Being
Yeah.
yourself in any surrounding is beautiful. आज खुश तो बहुत होगी
Diwar.
हाँ,
Yeah, man.
अब बताइए
I think I'm a
लव का
complete.
मतलब है क्या
I think I'm a complete opposite. It might sound very cliche, I don't know, but I think love is in giving. So if you're
क्या
a
क्या देने
giver,
तैयार हो लव के लिए
a lot.
नहीं हमें पूछना तो पड़ेगा
Oh
क्या कह रही हो?
God, what? She's making me laugh.
और टेकिंग टेकिंग
No,
टेकिंग
I don't.
है ही नहीं
मुझे नहीं पता. For me, if you're asking
मुझे
me,
सिर्फ गिविंग का पता है.
हाँ, मुझे giving का पता है.
Agreed.
I know about giving.
Generous.
Yeah, not generous in general. It's when you give people when you say ki sense of belonging, all of that. So when you're giving that, I think that's love. So this is again depending on what person you're catering to, and it just evokes in me somebody I can figure out, okay, this person is not in the right space and they need to be loved. That is
Wow.
where actually my love,
Oh, wow.
spills out.
wow so
This is not being politically
There's
correct.
so much of love to receive.
Yeah,
out
it
there.
is. Yeah, I love showering. I love
Wow.
showering people with love. And
you love
attention.
showering when you're in love
No.
with people oh with, in the shower with people no okay.
Ursula is equal to vengeance.
I know she's gonna get back अरे ये
She kept saying in every episode.
There is no comeback to this.
There is.
I
No,
would just.
but I love what you said because
Yeah.
but I think that reciprocity is also important.
It is important, and drawing
Because-
boundaries for you so that people don't walk all over you. That is
Yeah.
very important.
है ना?
But
Wow,
they,
I wish I
they
knew this.
I wish I knew this when I was your age.
At her age, I agree.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
I
but
wish.
she's really wise.
But they really do
Someone
get
gave me
blur
a
at
really
times.
good advice once. So even I believe in giving love, like a lot of love. But it happened to be my sister, and she told me that you can only give love when you fill yourself with your own love. So imagine
Yeah.
yourself as a cup, and then you can only give out
Yeah.
when you have enough
Wow.
within yourself.
So
So don't when
beautiful.
you're
Is that your definition of love? 'Cause it's your turn.
I have a counter to that.
That's your turn.
I have one more thing to add, but yeah, like self-love, like before you start giving, like sometimes we lose ourselves like into giving that we forget that okay, we are also supposed to receive and
Yes.
firstly love ourselves. Like,
Yes.
No. And what's your answer then? What's love mean to you?
So yeah, for me, it is a connection. I feel love can be so strong and so powerful that it can transcend through spaces, through realm probably.
Yeah.
So for me, it's that connection, having that connection with anybody. It doesn't matter if it's your partner or if it's your friend, but yeah, having that connection so strong that it can just, you can feel it. You don't need to physically prove it, or you don't have to keep
You just
showing
know
it.
it.
Yeah, you know it. You can feel it around you.
Wow.
Niti.
Okay. So I agree to all of them. Like all of them have covered everything. So if I define it, I would say love for me is if I can be bare naked
Oh wow.
in front of that person. And when I say naked, it means in every
Many ways.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly. Many ways.
You want to attempt? I mean, you guys
I
are.
do not mean it physically.
Oh, that way, figuratively.
So
Maybe
yeah,
she doesn't
figuratively.
love me.
And also, I meant it when there's no need to fake at all. When you just being yourself, your authentic self. You don't have to change even a single word just because you're sitting in a group, in a setting, or in front of a person. That is when I think if you've achieved that, that is love. Now,
Okay, yes. So now we'll be getting into the game segment, which might get a little spicy.
Wow.
Now we are playing truth or drink, and the rules are simple. That either like we'll pick out a chit and all of us have to answer. If you don't want to answer by any chance and not be controversial, you can just sip, because we are not promoting alcohol here. We have lemon concentrate in the glasses, and I'm sure you don't want to sip them,
Oh.
or otherwise we get fun reactions.
Okay. So begin.
Yeah, let's
the
begin.
games begin.
We can start with Neeti. You can pull out a chit.
So where is the chit? In this?
In this, yeah.
Okay.
No.
Guys,
who is the most annoying person in the room? That's my
Towards
safe
me.
choice.
Yeah, I told you that it is targeted towards me.
okay, Ish tea.
I have to touch it. Cool. Have you pooped or peed your pants? Not as kids. Okay. Yes, I have. And this is we were having a very fun night with all our friends, and we just kept laughing. We just kept laughing. We were
Those
playing.
nights.
Yes, we were playing a game called Heads Up, and it was so funny. And like I practically played my pants. So yeah, I did once.
You did once?
Yes, once.
Okay, I did twice. And I vividly remember where.
Yeah,
One
please.
was in Thailand in the ocean because I was laughing so much. And clearly I was laughing at a situation.
I have drank from that ocean and she was.
Tell me it was before it.
No, I was in it. She was in it, and she was laughing, and
At something very
We
funny.
were swimming in the same boat.
I was trying to. Yeah.
Next to each other.
Have you ever had a one night stand? Oh my.
Whoa.
God.
Oh, that's a killer.
Sorry to disappoint all of
The
you.
audience.
The audience, if at all it matters or doesn't. I haven't.
Because we three just
It's
laughed.
sour.
Yeah.
When was your first kiss?
Oh. Aapki bari.
Oh, I was 12.
When I was 6 years old at my boarding school.
Damn, girly.
Yeah, I was with a girl though.
Damn.
Can we drink to that story?
Yeah, we need that story
Yeah, that's I was.
on Instagram.
20 IIT Kanpur washroom.
What?
Whoa!
Yadein.
IIT Kanpur.
15, almost 14 and a half, 15 in my boarding school.
Of course. All right.
Who is the last person you searched on Instagram? I can look.
Yeah, that's what you have a phone for.
Oh.
Yeah,
Because I don't remember.
of course. None of us do.
Last person, right? On Instagram.
I wish it is
I
me.
looked up just. I'm obsessed.
What
What
is your
did you-
biggest insecurity?
Hmm.
I think it's people figuring out that I'm anxious. Because I could be anxious about like the stupidest, silliest things. It could just be replying back to someone.
When I was a kid, I had an insecurity of dying naked.
I still have it. I still have it. I still have it.
keep dreaming of being naked
Thank
in
you
my
for
dreams,
reminding
like,
me.
it brings-
I still have it. Dying naked or being in an earthquake and being in the washroom. Fuck off.
Super.
Yeah, bad.
How much money do you have in your bank?
I don't think.
Just drink
Drink
it up every
Yeah,
time.
just drink it.
Nobody wants to answer this question.
Yeah.
It's horrible.
It is.
I like it.
It's very bad.
I like it.
I find it.
I don't mind it too.
Yeah.
A celebrity you would leave your significant other for.
Oh shit.
Answer.
Oh my.
Okay, so I don't think so. I'll ever do that. I'll drink.
You
with
drink.
it.
Yeah,
Never
drink.
mind.
Yeah, Drishti.
Just to be like fun. Maybe Bradley
Yeah.
Cooper. He's hot.
Mm.
He's
Super
hot.
hot. Oh my god. मुझे चक्कर आ रहा है.
Say the name and
Yeah, man. Just say it. Just say it.
I'm trying to be cool, but I can't. I'm not. Sorry, guys. I really want to say something, but I'm not able
I'm
to
so
be.
just, even I.
Yeah, man. But I'm.
I knew this
but
question. I've been thinking since
I
morning.
wish
Yeah.
I can be as cool as Ursula because she's already thought of a name.
I always thought of a
Think of
name.
a name. I
I've
cannot.
heard about that name. So yeah.
Ah,
Dreamt about
Dreamt.
it.
I know the
Dreamt.
initials.
Yeah, but it's
The
changed.
one of the initials starts with my name too.
Yeah.
Okay. So there are too many.
No, there was.
Ajay, your turn.
Okay.
Oh, let me drink.
I also have to think. If it is somebody, it's a chick, that's for sure. I don't know
Throw the
which.
name.
Same here. Same here.
नहीं मुझे नहीं पता. I can't think of a name right now, but yeah, some girl,
drink then.
some really nice, pretty
So
chick.
yeah. So for me too, it's a chick. But yeah, I'm just being like for the.
I'll just be a dick.
This I'm not editing it out. Sorry.
This is going in the.
This is going.
final.
Yeah, you can say it again.
I can say it.
Yeah.
It's changed now, but for the longest time, it was Angelina Jolie.
Mm-hmm. You look like वो क्या कहते हैं?
Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt.
नहीं मैं कुछ गलत चली गई. Sorry.
or her ex-husband.
So Billy Bob Thornton book.
मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला. Sorry. मैंने कुछ नहीं.
She's meant Billy.
I didn't know.
Billy Boy.
I don't even know who that is.
You meant Billy Bob?
I don't know him.
Billy Bob, I love you, man. But did you really mean that?
I don't know who he is.
Uncanny resemblance, or what I'm saying?
I want to say that.
Okay, I love you, Billy.
Have you ever broken the law? If so, what did you do?
Oh.
This is
Law breaking.
yeah.
Not law abiding.
Yeah.
So my best friend and I, we decided to go to this bar restaurant, and we got really drunk. We had a lot to eat, drink, everything, and then we were dancing. And then like how you have to step out to smoke, and they ask you for your card. They never asked us or whatever. So an idea came to my head, and I told my friend, I was like, you know what? We can just walk out of here, and if you want to do this fun, check this thing off your bucket list. We could just walk out of here, and no one will ever find out. So we just ran out of the bar, and no one caught us. So we ended up not paying that night, and we just left.
My God.
So yeah, that's
On the house.
yeah on the house.
I have broken laws and rules when I was in my boarding school, where I've done everything against the grain. Like, I was a very different human being when I was there, and then I reformed a lot when I left my school. But there were a lot of things that I did that were crazy, and like bunking out of school, doing all kinds of crazy stuff, getting into trouble, being called the black sheep of the school in the auditorium, and like 1,000 students, and like going through everything. That's the only time I broke rules, and now I'm reformed.
So in Mumbai, when you travel without tickets, you can just tip the TC a little less than the actual fine, and they let you go without a receipt. And that's the only law that I've broken.
I'm a very law-abiding citizen. Having said that, I broke. Nobody's
Just by this laugh, you all know where this
Nobody's
is.
buying that shit.
But I have broken every, rule, law that exists in the world. And especially, I've jumped over walls to be somewhere, gone part. Like, I've done everything. Okay, the question you have to ask me is, how many laws have you followed? How many rules have you followed? I don't know. I really don't know. I've done a lot of crazy things. I can't even
Sip.
अरे हाँ.
समझ गई मैं पर ठीक है. Yep.
Wow, what an amazing episode to close. Yes, this is our last episode from season 1, and it was so many emotions, mixed feelings, and literally this was us going from one emotion to the other, and great exchange. And thank you to all of you for making this happen, and for supporting, and for always being out there and just encouraging and just being brilliant human beings yourselves. Thank you so much. We do not end here. We're going to see you soon with Love Lingo
Season 2.
Yes. So you guys stay tuned, and thank you for watching another episode of Love Lingo. We're available on Spotify, Apple Podcasts. How many times have Okay. I'm not going to upset my team. Please watch us. Oh, sorry. What is that you say?
You can find us.
Okay. You can find us on Spotify, Apple, or wherever you get your podcast from. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Love Lingo. And does Chetna want to take over? She
Yeah,
has something
like if
to
you're
say.
a no-lifer and you've not followed us on Instagram, please follow us now. And in between the season, we have a lot of cool stuff coming in, so that doesn't stop here.
Show some love, guys.
Show some love. Love Lingo. Humne rahi.
Pyar ke.
चलने दीजिए.
Okay.
That's why you want to do this?
Yeah, man. ये मैं बताऊंगी. रुको, तुम लोग उस दिन आ नहीं रहा बताने. Okay, wait. Yeah, this. Your finger is tall, I think.
My finger is tall. Yeah, baby. It'll get taller.
Traumatized for life.
Traumatized and how?
किसकी हो गई ना?
यही बाकी था एपिसोड.
अभी हुई मैं 4 दिन पहले.
तो 4 दिन बाद मिलना है.
वाह जी वाह.
अरे